What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let me show you how to delete your Bright account. If you're thinking about closing your Bright account, here's how to delete it safely and permanently. First, open the Bright app and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. From there, navigate to Settings, Account Settings. Scroll down and select Delete Account. Bright will then ask you to confirm your identity, usually with a password or biometric verification. Before proceeding, you got to make sure that all pending transactions are completed, also that your balance is zero and that you've downloaded any data that you want to keep. Once confirmed, Bright will process your request and you're going to receive a final email confirmation letting you know that your account has been closed. Now, an important thing to note is deleting your account is permanent. You won't be able to retrieve any data or reverse the process once it's done. If you're just looking for a break, you want to consider disabling the account instead. If you got more questions about Bright, then like, share, and subscribe for clear step-by-step guides made just for you. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.